Yo, it's Daryl here with another episode of Condo Cooking. Hey, we have a guest on Condo Cooking today. It is Tyson from the Tyson Show. He's a relatively new YouTuber around, and we are here to review his cooking. We're going to go back in time and see him prep this, and just stand by. You're going to see how he cook it after he shows the ingredients. Stand by.
Hey, what's up? This is Tyson from the Tyson Show, and I'm out here in John TM at my night market. I just want to show y'all guys where we're located and how you're gonna find us. So when you come in, you see that sign up there, and if you're coming down the road, coming down Beach Road, show y'all what it looks like. If you're coming on this direction, that's Beach Road, John TM. You'll see the 7-Eleven. See that 7-Eleven right there? Then you pass it. You gotta come in to this entrance right here. And that's where we're located, down there. So come on down, take a walk with me, and I'm gonna show you where we at. All right? And you see when you come down, we are the first stand that you will see. The Jermaking Me Crazy, home of the best jerk chicken in Thailand. Exactly. It's raining right now. It's rainy season here, but we're still here to get it. So this is us right here. You wife you back there with the chicken. The night market, John TM. Jermaking Me Crazy. Deboning the chicken, the leg and thigh. Goes in and cuts it out. Process. You gotta clean your chicken in that nice vinegar and lemon mix. Without that, I'm not eating it. I should get in there like she's a surgeon. Skilling it. I don't want to mess with her. Yeah. Come home. If I come up missing, y'all guys know that my skin is. Nah, let me chill out. Baby, look how you doing it nice. You're skilling it, baby. Wow. Look at that. Number one girl right there, yo. And bam. That's how we do it.
Ah, got y'all. This is a secret recipe. He don't want to show it. Let's continue.
All right, you guys are seeing how he make it. He about to put it on the grill. Hold on, we gonna flip it around so we can see what he doing. Stand by. All right, brother. Let's show what you got. So again, how long it take to cook from start to finish?
Start to finish, between say 7 to 10 minutes.
Okay, 7 minutes.
Yeah.
And this is the best jerk chicken in town.
The best jerk chicken in Thailand.
All right. Tyson from the Tyson Show. We got the missus. She always busy. She's doing all the work, tell you the truth. Tyson ain't doing nothing. Can you introduce yourself, ma'am? What's your name?
Ling.
Who?
Ling.
Ling?
Yeah.
All right, Ling.
Ling.
Ling and Tyson.
N-I-N-G.
They outside the module bar every day. day selling jerk chicken. So we decided to get it a test out. Actually, I already know that shit is off the fucking chain. I'm just bullshit with the subscribers right now. But, ladies and gentlemen, come over and try it. It is very good. It's better than mine. Y'all seen my episode. This is what you want. This is how you got to do it. This is how you got to do it. Yeah, I had it.
Yeah, you had it,
So I admit it. I ain't got to lie yet. Listen, on my opinion don't count. We tell nothing but the truth.
Okay.
Even if the truth says I'm not the best. And that your chicken is better than mine.
But see, that's the truth. You know what I mean? You got to be able to admit when you're good and when you're not good.
Yeah, man. You got to know your good faults and your bad faults. Yeah.
You got to know to admit it. That's what being truthful is about.
Yeah.
You know?
So yeah, hey, we on our way to 1,000 subscribers. I think we at like 979. Hey, at the same time, hey, click the link below. Tyson Show. Subscribe to this young brother. He trying. He out here. Pattaya, Thailand. Hey, we'll get back at you when it's done.
Yes, sir.
All right, we back here. Another edition of Condo Cooking. We here with Tyson and Lang here over here, getting it right. They ready to pull some meat, this meat off. Show us what they got. Look good too, brother. Look good. You got
the rice and peas.
Got the rice and peas. You make all this off-site.
Yes.
They bring it down here in the Module Bar. We're here at the Module Bar live. Live edition of Condo Cooking.
Huh? Okay.
Oh, look good.
All right, so yeah, baby, you can do it now. Go ahead.
Yeah, that look good. That look good, bro. That look good. Tasty. He pulling it off. There we go.
Man.
All right, go ahead and make us up a box, man. Let's see what we got. Make us a box and let the people see what they get. So how much normally you charging for your
Okay, jerk chicken by itself is 100 baht. And you get that with bread.
Uh-huh.
Or you can get it with white rice for 150.
Uh-huh.
Rice and peas is 200 baht.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, simple. Easy peasy.
That's
like
good. That's good. Look good too, bro. Look good.
Don't play here, man. This is when you do it with love, it's gonna come back love. You know?
Yeah. Oh, he about to make the box up. Look at it. He getting a good healthy portion of rice.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. He taking care of you.
Yeah, no doubt.
Nice chicken down the board. So hey, man, tell us your little story. Where you from, man?
All right, so I was born in Jamaica, but I grew up in Brooklyn, New York, Flatbush. You know. Then when I was 20, I joined the U.S. military.
All right.
And 2004, I went to Iraq. Ended up 2006 getting a medical discharge.
All right. Shout out veterans.
You know what I mean? 100%. You know?
All right. So how long you been here now?
I've been now in Thailand 7 months.
Uh-huh.
And I got here because I was living in Germany. Actually, I lived in Germany 23 years.
All right.
And I was with a girl for 18 years.
Mm-hmm.
Have 2 kids. But in the end, we ended up getting a divorce.
Uh-huh.
And depression sets in. I was like, you know what? Let me fly south for the winter.
Go ahead now.
So I came here. And then I met this wonderful girl named Ning.
Yeah.
And I was like, yo, we're going to chill together. We got to make money together.
Oh, show you right. Go ahead.
You know what I mean?
Uh-huh.
So we started this little business called Jermaking Me Crazy.
Yeah.
You feel me?
Yeah. So where's your main location at?
Main location is in the Jermaking market.
Uh-huh. Out in John TM. Yeah. And we'll put a link down there. I'll get a link from. We'll put a link down there. Hey, y'all go out there and support this young brother, man. He out here doing this thing, trying to feed the people. Very good box. Got some jerk chicken, peas, rice and peas, and a little slaw. All for about 150 baht. It looks delicious. It looks delicious, brother. It looks delicious.
Thank you very much.
Hey, I appreciate it, man. It's been an honor.
Hey,
thank you.
Appreciate you, man. Thank you.
Yes. Hey, this has been another episode of Condo Cooking. Hey, I appreciate it. Hey, we're on the drive to 1,000. I think we're at 979. Hey, if you don't mind, please, if you like this video, even if you don't like this video, please hit subscribe. I'm not going to ask you to not I'm not going to be greedy and ask you to like the video also. I'll just say subscribe. You know what I mean? Just subscribe. It's free. It costs you nothing. Please. And if you really generous, you know what I mean? Please send a super thank you. Support the channel. Hey, I appreciate it. Hey, mind paid don't count. Y'all be easy.